Welcome all. Now I am going to discuss question number 24 from the GATE 2017 paper set to Electrical Engineering. The normal circuit of a transmission line is shown in the figure. The impedance is equal to 100 at an angle 80 ohms and reactance X is equal to 3300 ohms. The magnitude of the characteristic impedance of the transmission line in ohms is. To know the details of ABCD parameters of transmission line, audience can go through the given NPTEL video link. Let us have brief discussion on ABCD line parameters of transmission line. Here Vs is the sending end voltage, Is is the sending end current, and also Vr is the receiving end voltage, IR is the receiving end current. A, B, C, D are the elements that represents the relation between the sending and the receiving end phasors of the transmission line. The values of the A, B, C, D are given in the following equations, and the characteristic impedance ZC is given by root over B by C. With the help of this information, we will try to solve the problem. Let us solve the problem. Given data, given Z is equal to 100 at an angle 80 ohms and X is equal to 3300 ohms. So what we have to find? We have to find out the characteristic impedance ZC. Characteristic impedance ZC, and it is equal to under root B by C. So we need to calculate the values of B and C. From the ABCD parameters of transmission line, B is equal to Z is equal to 100 at an angle 80 degrees. That is in ohms. Now we need to find out the values of C. C is equal to Y into 1 plus YZ by 4. Here Y is the susceptance. Susceptance of the pi transmission line, which is given by this equation, this expression. And we all know that half of the susceptance is equally divided to the transmission line. So Y is given by 2 by 3300 into 1 plus Y is 2 by 3300 into Z is 100 at an angle 80 degrees by 4 and to J. So we need to substitute these values in ZC. ZC is equal to under root 100 at an angle 80 degrees by J2 by 3300 into 1 plus 2 by 3300 J. Here also we forgot to multiply J into 100 at an angle of 80 degrees, this whole divided by 4. After simplifying this expression, we will get ZC is equal to 409.2685 ohms. That is, the characteristic impedance of the transmission line is 409.26 ohms. So, the magnitude of the characteristic impedance of the transmission line is 409.268 ohms. Let us solve the problem in shortcut way. Shortcut is what? Characteristic impedance ZC is given by root over Z by Y. Z we know that 100 at an angle of 80 degrees. We can neglect the angles, and the Y is 2 by 3300, right? 2 by 3300. That is equal to 406.2 ohms. Thank you.